kita tengah syuting. Kita tengah masak, y'all. Jangan tanya soalan. Hadirkan diri je.
Get ready to join the one and only Nana, the queen of fun, for a Ramadan rendezvous. And here she is, folks, the vibrant and colourful Nana. She's invited me to taste the flavours of love and tradition, straight from her late mother's kitchen.
Okay,
what we cooking
hari ni ini for buka puasa
Yeah.
I nak masak lauk Minang lah, lauk Minang.
Minang.
It's from recipe from my late mother.
Right.
Memang I belajar pada dia.
Nice.
It's ayam kalio. It's not ayam gulai lah, tapi
Okay.
kita for the Minang kita panggil dia ayam kalio.
Kalio. Is that spicy? Looks spicy.
That's spicy because some ada some chilies kan. Kita pakai tu. So basically I dah prepare all the some ni. We just need to blend it a bit.
Yep. This is your mom's recipe.
Mom recipe ke why? Yelah, I belajar from my mom lah. No, it's not actually from my mom. My father, I think my father punya granny.
Oh.
They teach because my father suka masakan Minang.
Okay.
So dia my apa tu? My father punya granny, my moyang lah kan. My moyang kan. Dia ajar my mother to cook all this. My father suka lauk-lauk Minang. So from there, I masih kecil-kecil, balik sekolah, mak suruh turun belajar, tengok. Then
so now we can try.
Kan, at least kan. My father, my father ada teringat my mother ni lauk-lauk macam ni. So basically, I dah wash ni. I'm gonna blender this bawang and some garlic. Okay, you don't ask me about the berapa biji.
No, it's okay.
Because my mom used to give campak je.
Feeling.
So I just campak je. I rasa I feel ni okay, I buat campak je. So I memang tak reti cakap okay Nana 3 biji 4 biji. Bila orang tanya Nana resipi ni berapa biji, macam I don't know. I'm gonna blend it. Alright. Okay, minyak dah kuali dah panas. I need to
Whoa, can you smell that, folks? This is the kind of fragrance that could make any chef do the boogie. Every sniff is a trip down memory lane.
daun limau.
What's that? Limau?
Daun limau. Okay. And some.
Smells so good lah.
Bila dah limau ni, bau sedap lah kan?
Aduh.
Oh, sedap. Sementara I tunggu minyak tu ni masak, I'm gonna ready for sambal petai ikan bilis. So this one, I dah cuci tepi. And
What did you do to the top?
Okay, I kena kikis.
Oh, why you kikis the petai?
Lagi sedap.
Oh.
Terus itu my mother punya tips.
So you have to kikis the petai.
Kikis, jangan direct tu. Dia kan ada hijau kan. You kikis supaya ni, and then baru you masak.
And it's the first time I'm hearing that. Tak pernah dengar tu.
Taste better macam tu. So tu.
Apa dia tak terlalu pahit ke?
Ya benar. And then dia boleh jadi crispy jugalah kalau cara you goreng kan.
Itu secret recipe.
Yes. So I put some cube baileys just to make it taste sikit kan. Okay. So tengok cili ni pun sikit lagi nak masak, takut nanti.
It's clear that here, in this kitchen of love and flavor, every dish is a masterpiece and every moment is pure magic.
Okay, so I masuk ayam. I bagi dia keluar air.
So you put the ayam in and you leave it
tunggu dia air ayam tu keluar sekejap.
Okay, and then
nanti I'm gonna pour the santan.
Dia punya kuah juga jadi.
Nanti santan akan tambah santan.
Okay, santan.
Santan tu jadi kuah dia.
Okay, alright.
Sedapnya buah petai. Put some asam jawa a bit.
In the sambal?
Sambal. Memang sambal kena ada asam jawa. You just ikut your heart, your rasa, your feel. Okay, I rasa cukup-cukup. My husband. This is Zuraimi.
kena rebus dulu
Dia tak lembut kan. Dia kena lembut sikit. Ini tak payahlah. Ini celur sekejap.
Sup apa ni?
Ayam. Pada ayam sikit.
Okey, sup ayam.
Yang nak goreng je tapi macam
Yang Mami's recipe atau?
Alah, my mama lah. Semua turun-turunlah.
This pakis ya?
Pucuk pakis.
Pucuk pakis.
Dia panggil pucuk pakis. So ni kena tebal-tebalkan sikit.
Oh, this one also you boil
Kena. Sekejap lah.
So the only thing that you don't boil is the cucumber lah?
Cucumber saja. Ni sekejap je lah.
Also this also.
Nanti kan I combine sekali, baru letak kuah dia.
I'm quite surprised you doing pecel.
Kenapa?
It's a very Indonesian dish, this one, pecel.
You okay ni?
They also kadang-kadang they use ikan keli juga. They call it pecel lele.
Pecel lele. Betul, pecel lele betul. Lepas tu letak air longan, letak daun pudina. Asam boy. Baik. Didik sana sikit, nanti pecik-pecik.
Memang chef Minang lah. When you say pecah minyak, what does
You nampak tak? Minyak dekat atas.
Okay.
So dia cili dia masak.
Okay.
Dia kalau tak ni, cili tu tak masak lagi. So tak sedap. So ini kalau dah sikit cili dia, just ni masukkan semua dan kita gaulkan. Okey, nanti bila dah minyak dia punya sambal tu dah sejuk, kita akan masukkan semua apa yang kita dah goreng tadi dan kita gaulkan sebati. Anak kita dah balik. Tolong, pecah. Kamu bila tak depan. Pergi tak depan. Pergi. Oh, tak sejak lah, dah tak. Ni. Oh.
Mak dia. Official lah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Malaikat sunnah wa bidah amanah wa ala rizqika amanah wa bidah ya arhamar rahimin. Walhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Amin.
And as the sun sets and the food disappears faster than you can say yummy, laughter fills the air, turning this gathering into a party you won't forget.
Dia sedap dia. This one you have to mix yourself a bit the kuah that yeah.
Tapi not very spicy
Taklah, kau sak cili merah. If I put cili padi, lain nasi dia. Cannot. Lakon.
Tapi sedap. No, tapi what I'm saying is, I thought this one would be pedas.
No, tak ada.
Ini
sedap.
Tapi memang lain dia kalau dah kikis dia punya pedas.
With this beautiful family, breaking fast isn't just a meal. It's a symphony of smiles and a feast of friendship that nourishes the soul.